Have you seen the crazy prices that some coffee shops charge for a simple latte? And even with that, the line is out the door. For those of us who are watching our pennies, yet aren't willing to give up our specialty coffees, here's an easy way to whip up a mocha latte at home that's budget-friendly and really yummy. The first thing we do is combine some sugar, cocoa powder, espresso powder, and a bit of cinnamon in a saucepan. After mixing it, we add some water and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to thicken up, we remove it from the heat and add a generous splash of vanilla. This is going to be the base for our lattes. In another saucepan, we heat some half and half. I usually figure 1 cup per mugful. Here we have enough for Kelly and I. Once it's hot but not quite boiling, we pour it into a mug and add a tablespoon of our mocha latte syrup. Give it a good mix and we're good to go. It's so rich and creamy. You're going to love it, and the best part, you don't have to deal with those long coffee shop lines or break your piggy bank to have one. To get the recipe for our Steamin Mocha Latte, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a trendy yet thrifty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.